The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 476, which is in effect until 3:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Montgomery. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Houston-Galveston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Montgomery County in western Texas until 5:34 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located a kilometer west of Houston International Airport and heading towards downtown Houston, moving northwest at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs and trees. Locations impacted include downtown Houston and northern Houston. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 164, effective until 6:36 p.m. Central Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Texas: Montgomery. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds. In and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert of rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Houston-Galveston has issued a tornado warning for northern Montgomery County in western Texas until 7:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:03 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles southeast of downtown Houston, moving northwest at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include downtown Houston and northern Houston. This includes Interstate 45 between mile marker 284. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. All clear. Repeating, all clear. The tornado warning that was issued around 7:03 p.m. has been lifted. You may now exit your shelter, but be advised that there is massive damage across the greater Houston area, especially in downtown Houston and northern Houston. If your home has been destroyed, the National Guard will pick you up as soon as possible and transport you to a safe location. The final death toll was 280,000 and 100,000 others were injured. If you are still trapped inside, do not attempt to exit, as you will risk being seriously injured or killed by debris. All services in the area, including police, fire, and medical services, will be helping to anyone who is hurt and or trapped. Repeating, the tornado warning that was issued around 7:03 p.m. has been lifted, and you may now exit your shelter. The Mayor of Houston, the Governor of Texas, and the Montgomery County Emergency Management Agency would like to thank you for your cooperation during this emergency. Residents in the area are now advised to gather with anyone such as relatives, as they will build a memorial to honor the victims that have died in the tornado. The emergency alert system will now be handed over to the local authorities. We will now resume regular programming following these tones.